Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia. So today's tutorial is so simple. I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these 2 cornrows on my short to medium natural hair. So stay tuned, let's begin. So you want to start with a damp and moisturized hair. I already used water in the bathroom to just make sure my hair was damp, and I used my Miracle leave-in conditioner, applied it on my hair and some oil on it. And you want to start by parting your hair just the way I did, because in this video we'll be doing 2 braids going down right up to the back. So I will be using my Gorilla Gel, just like I showed you some moments ago, that quantity first. So I'm going to apply after parting your hair, going down 2 sections, because we need just 2 braids for this hairstyle. So I'm just going in. Make sure you detangle your hair very well, so it will be easy for you to just cornrow without your hair tangling in between. So once you apply your gel on your hair like I'm applying right now, make sure you brush your hair really well, especially those of you who have thick natural hair just like I do. You want to make sure you slick everything down and put it together using a brush, just like I'm doing right now. This is my Tangle Teaser brush I'm using. Brush it well, because it's going to make the work very easy, guys. Make sure you don't skip this step. Brush and brush really well, because you need your braids to be sleek and smooth at the end of the day. So once I'm done brushing, you want to use also a very smooth brush to just make everything smooth. So you start, if you don't know how to cornrow, please just look carefully. You start by using 3 and you go outer braids. That is what I'm doing. I don't want the video to be long, so I just fast forwarded everything. So just cornrow, take your time slowly. This was my first time to do this, and I just went ahead slowly and did this. You cornrow section by section. Make sure you're grabbing all the hairs from each section, so none will be left flying out, and just do it slowly, no rush if you're still learning how to cornrow like me. So yes, once you reach at the back, make sure everything looks nice and neat, because you will not be adding any hair to the front of this hair, as you will see in the video. So that's one section already done. I'm going to go ahead, use my smooth brush just to make sure the braid is sleek. This is my little girl's edge control that I'm using. It's so lovely, and I decided to use it on my hair as well. So I slicked my baby hairs down. On this other side, I started using Eco Styler. I just wanted to try if it was going to hold, but the Gorilla Gel works perfectly well on our falsy natural hair. So if you have falsy natural hair, you can use Gorilla Gel if you have it. Eco Styler Gel will work as well, but you need a good quantity of Eco Styler Gel for your hair to be really sleek. So after applying the Eco Styler Gel, I wasn't satisfied with the way the hair was looking. I went ahead and added some Gorilla Gel after brushing it. So you want to take your time as well. Brush again, brush towards the direction where you're going to braid, so your hair will look a bit easier to work with, because I have really thick natural hair. So that's why you have to follow all these steps. So I went ahead, added some Gorilla gel. This gel is amazing. If you are forcing natural, consider trying to use this. This will slick your hair down so gorgeously that you will not believe it. So I'm happy I got this. I got this in the UK the last time I visited, but you can order it online or check your local beauty supply stores around you. So yeah, once I applied that and I was satisfied with the way everything was looking, just go ahead and brush so everything will be nice and smooth. This style is so simple and easy to do. If you're still learning to cornrow, all you need is just take your time slowly and braid with ease. For those of you who already know how to cornrow, you will know this style is something you can do for less than 15 minutes and you're good to go. So, but for me, I'm still learning how to cornrow, so it took me a while. I just took my time to really take my time to braid it. I'm still using my smoothing brush to just smooth the edges, and now I'm beginning to cornrow. I'm beginning to cornrow the other section. So slowly make sure you grab all the hairs from each section as you go, making sure everything is looking all neat. And if you have baby hairs, you can come back later after doing that to just fix and arrange it the way you want it to look. So yeah, right down, my hair is so thick. As you can see, my braid is looking really big. For those of you who don't have thick natural hair, it will be so easy to do this style on your hair, but I was struggling because of the thickness of my hair. So I'm done with the braids. I'm just going to go ahead, try to brush off the other section that I just made using my toothbrush to just slick everything down with my edge control. I'm going to leave the products of everything I used in the description bar so you can check them out, making sure I have no fly over even in the middle of my hair. And I'm just going to use a small band to tie the two ends together, and I will go ahead and just use my scarf to slick everything down while I do my makeup. So once I'm done with my makeup, the hair will be laying flat already, because it will take about 30 minutes for me to do my makeup. And I'm back. This is how the hair looks after my makeup. So gorgeous, everything is looking sleek. Who said natural hair cannot be sleek? Try Eco Styler and you'll be amazed. So here is the extension I'll be using for the bun behind. It is Mali hair. This is just about half of your one pack of Mali hair. You just want to attach it at the back of your hair and divide it into two. I'm going to loosely twist each section like so. I'm smiling because the hair is already looking beautiful, and you just go around and tie it around the bun. And if you need a bobby pin, you can use that to secure it. I'll use the other part. Just stay with me, please don't skip this video. It is so gorgeous and simple hairstyle you can do, so don't skip any part. And I'm just going to round up. I'm going to use some silver beads to accessorize this hair. This took this hairstyle to another level, so you might want to consider getting some hair accessories to just put it on the braids at the front, just to make everything beautiful, nice and cute. You know, something simple, you just want to accessorize it to make it look gorgeous and elegant. So that's what I was doing right here. I went ahead and used about 4 or 5 depending. The braids were so fat. So here is the final look of the hair. You have the side. Oh, I was so happy. The back is looking really pretty. The other side, Wow. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share this video with your friends as well. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Love you, and I'm going to give you a kiss right here. So yes, I'm just feeling myself. More look. So yeah.